Hi guys, Melvin Roberts, Rolling Video Games Chicago, the best Illinois gaming company. Been in business since 2011, and it's probably one of the best decisions I've made, becoming the owner of a rolling video game franchise. Um, Fun-filled, action-packed parties, kids of all ages, even adults, 16 and 24 players at a time, Xbox, PlayStation, Wii U, Nintendo Switch, and all the games under the sun. The rolling video games experience has been one that I've been able to share with my two boys. They're 16 and 13 now, but when I got my truck in 2011, obviously they were a lot younger, and see them growing up in the biz, helping out. My son will be actually going out this summer on his own. With some of the supervision, of course. But it's been a true and wonderful experience being an owner, entrepreneur, being able to make my own schedule, book my parties, and basically share this overall gaming experience with everyone in the Chicagoland area and its surrounding suburbs, and to meet all the different kids, schools, churches, community organizations, and the like. So if you're thinking about getting into this business, you won't regret it. It's definitely fulfilling. The money's good, and the experience is even better. All right. And with that note, I'm going to say game on, and I will see you guys at the next party.